Hello, today we will use the Rhino to generate the network analysis again. Okay, we need to create a new Rhino with Grasshopper and go to double click the top and open the Grasshopper. After that, we can import the file path, select the file of the OpenStreetMap OSM. After that, you need to install the Urbano and import the features path. Then we can have the building features here. We have the building pawns. And after that, we copy and paste it. We have the amenities. And after that, we can have the street as well. The street. Then we need the polyline. The polyline for the pawns of the buildings. And the polyline for generating the street as well. Then we can have the model, the briefly model. Then we go to create the model by create building. We have the pawn that is the curve. Then the amenities. We need to integrate it. The pawns and integrate into the building amenities. Sorry. The data should be import as well. And we can have some briefly network about it. Okay, zoom into it. Metadata. Then vector to vector. I think it's okay now, and build the Urbano. Net. Then we can have the network and by the OpenStreetMap pawns here. And we need to have the click the build 2 times, double click it. I don't know why it doesn't work, but it's okay. We can have the OpenStreetMap, and we want to generate we need to generate the fitness of the, wait a moment. We want to generate the fitness and the allocations of the building site. Therefore, we should have the x-coordinate. We can input the x-coordinate by adding the slider of the pawns and the y-coordinate. After that, we can go to pawns, and not these pawns, go to the pawns, construct pawns. Then we strictly point out the amenities with the pawns and draw the length. Then we can go to mass additions. You can see here and generate the. Now we can have 2 sectors. 2 things. This is the one is the coordinates, the buildings that we want to find out the part we want to allocate our building site, and we can link it into the amenities. The closer to the amenities, the better the building site allocations. Therefore, we go to the Ladybug and just utilities and get the Grasshoppers, and we double click it. Go to the minimize. Then we can see the site allocations, the best site. Go to solver, start solving. It is finding the best site to our locations. Like when we allocate the buildings, we can find a new or find a site that near the amenities surrounded us. And we can see here is the best point. And we can see the best point is here. And this is the optimization of the building allocation points. And it's around there. And we can see after the optimization, this is the best point that we should allocate the buildings here. But unfortunately, the buildings are around here already. Some buildings built around us, around there. And we can go to the maximize. There's the optimization of the worst. Building site. Start solving. It is the farthest way of the site, selecting site to the amenities. A lot of variations here. You can see almost there. The worst point of the building allocations that is far away from the amenities. Okay, we can see here. We just using this model to find the best pace and the worst pace for the building allocations and the site selections. And this is by the Grasshopper and Urbano. You need to download the Urbano, install into the Rhino Grasshopper. Thanks for your listening to this video.